the first ball to Ravi Shastri.
And there's the first delivery with a deafening roar of approval of this packed stadium. There's an appeal for LBW and he's out. The first ball and sensation here at the Sharjah cricket ground. Imran traps Shastri, LBW, and this crowd here erupts. And what a sensational start here, Tony.
It certainly was. I feel sorry a little for Ravi Shastri because the great expectations of him here. He's had a marvellous few months against England and in Australia, but that was a really quick ball, came back off the seam and caught him on the back foot.
Wonderful atmosphere. And Azharuddin is beaten, a beautiful delivery, moving away. And Tony, the young genius, having a little lesson from the old master.
Quite true, Ifti. The pitch was responsive to Imran's bowling. He has obviously gathered all his old speed together again.
Azhar flashes at that one, it's through to the keeper. A hint of desperation there. A superb over from Imran to get this magnificent tournament on its way. Sirikant facing Imran. That's up in the air, he could be gone out, and yes, he's gone. The short pitch delivery, and Sirikant, a very tentative shot. And he's out, caught at square leg, and just look at the Pakistan half of the supporters. Imran striking and striking hard. The world champions at the moment reeling against Imran coming Tony.
Shrikant beaten a little by the pace of that one because as Imran ran into bowl, you could see the intention of the bowler to pull the ball down short, test him with a bouncer. And Shrikant saw it quite early, went for the shot, and yet was beaten for the speed of the ball, hit high up on the bat, and it went in a gentle parabola to square leg.
At the end of there's an appeal for a catch behind, and he's gone. Imran has struck again. Vengsarkar caught behind, and India have lost their third wicket. And what a sensational spell. And just look at that crowd enjoying every moment of the beginning of this tournament.
Well, we've said it's not been an easy wicket to bat on, but that was nothing to do with the quality of the pitch. You watch Vengsarkar gets a little bit too far inside it, very faint tickle, and how well it was taken down the leg side.
He's going to be out, caught, and he's gone. Imran has struck again. Gavaskar out, caught behind, playing away from his body. And India have lost their fourth wicket, and Imran has really put Pakistan on top, and that's the Pakistan half of the supporters. As I said earlier, there's a fair sprinkling for both, and come in for the replay.
Well, you see the replay, he's nowhere near the ball, hasn't moved his feet at all. The ball moving a little away, swinging away from the wicket, and the kind of delivery which has always, throughout his career, troubled Gavaskar a little bit. The ball that moves away off the wicket, runner at the off stump. But his feet were nowhere near it this time.
Now facing Imran. Imran's fifth over. Outside edge, down to third man. Imran rising to great heights here against the world champions. And he edges that one. but it drops short of the wicketkeeper.
34 for 4, India. Imran to Amarnath.
He's out, 5th wicket gone. Amarnath bowled, and India are in real trouble. 5 down for 34, and Imran has taken his 5th wicket.
I think we'll probably see in the replay that that ball didn't do a great deal. I think he was beaten by pace. Came back a little bit, went through the gate, but it was pace more than movement. There was a certain amount of movement, but he was playing well away from the body.
He could be out caught, and he's gone. A great, magnificent catch by the wicketkeeper. What a tremendous catch by Ashraf. One of the finest catches perhaps one can hope to see. And Imran has struck again to get his 6th wicket. And Madan Lal is out. What a superb catch, Mansoor.
Wasn't it? You watch it now. It's a bit wide. He goes for the slash. And right at the fingertips. Full stretch.
So it's 9 wickets down for 121. Imran has taken 6, and this is the best performance by a Pakistani in one-day cricket, beating 5 for 21 by Wasim Akram in Australia against the Australians. Sivarama Krishnan, the last man in, facing Imran. Yorker, attempted one. Smile on Imran's face. Young Siva has survived. 121 for 9 at the end of the 39th over. 1-2-1 for 9, and Imran's analysis now read: 9 overs, 1 maiden, 6 for 14, and that was a wicket maiden